Global capital markets are moving in a positive zone with the expectation of lockdown getting lifted across the world in a phased manner. Indian capital markets are also mirroring the same, with expectations building around gradual lifting of lockdown post 3rd May. Also, starting of multiple activities in different states, however small manner it may be, is leading to a little bit of positive mood in the market. Apart from this, the principal factor driving the rally has been the liquidity. Global central banks have pumped in significant amount of liquidity in the global markets. This week, Japanese central bank, Chinese central bank, ECB, as well as Fed meeting is expected to further inject liquidity, and this liquidity eventually will move towards emerging markets like India, where there is still some growth possibility. Thus, markets are showing buoyancy. As far as sectors are concerned, pharmaceutical continues to remain the favorite of the investors. There are positive momentum behind pharma stocks. Reliance post the Facebook deal looks good, and that also has been driving the market. Apart from that, there are some pockets in the financial services as well which are showing promise, and if and when the central fiscal stimulus gets announced, the financial sector will get a further boost. Overall, we believe that markets will hover in this range of between 9,000 and 9,500 levels during this period till the lockdown gets lifted. Also, the pressure on Indian currency coming down has led to some positive movement in the markets. Overall, we look forward to an interesting next 15 days where a lot of developments will happen both on the COVID front as well as economic front.